Hi friends, welcome to another Grove Collaborative haul. I have not done one in for so long, and it's because the past months I have just been getting repetitive things that I normally do get because I've run out of them, and I don't want to bore you with something that I've already shown you. But this time I did get some fun spring things, and Grove has some really fun spring things on there, and I did not get some of the things that are like super fun, like the new suds dish thing that has like flowers on it, because I have just a plain white one and I don't need to be going and buying the flowery one too, but it is really pretty. But I did get some of the Mrs. Meyer's seasonal scent, and I'm really excited to share that with you because they're doing a big, I think it's a 5-pack of things, and you can get the mint, the lilac, or the peony. I'm not a huge fan of florally scented sprays and cleaners. Like I guess like room sprays smells okay as long as it's not too overwhelming, but I do love the mint scent. I do have the peony house cleaning spray that I purchased from Target. You might have seen it in my Target haul that I posted just the other day, and I will put a link to that down in my description box if you're interested in watching that. But I absolutely love the mint scent. That is my favorite. I did get it last year and I loved it then too. So I got the big collection of the Mrs. Meyer's mint scent, and I'm really excited to share that with you. And I also got some other things that, again, I'm really excited to share with you. All right, so let me start with the Mrs. Meyer's mint scent. All right, so I am stand corrected. It is actually a 4-pack set, but that's still really good. Not a 5-pack, but a 4-pack of things, and I'm so excited. I spent, I think it was under $16, like $15.99 or around there for it. But you get the multi-purpose spray. You also get the dish soap, and I love the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, and not just because of the scent, but because of how good they work. Like, I absolutely love the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. I wish it would last longer, but I love it. And then you also get the hand soap, and this I'm really excited about. It is their air freshener. And sure, it's a smaller bottle, but a little goes a long way, which I love that about the Mrs. Meyer's air freshener sprays. It is wonderful. Like, you just spray a little bit and it just fills the room. I love it so much. And yeah, I think this by itself is like $5 something, I believe. But I got all 4 of these for $15.99, I believe. And trust me when I say it, it smells amazing and very fresh and springy and clean. I love it. All right, one thing I did get that I normally do get is because I was running really low on it, and it is the Method glass cleaner, and I get it in the scent Waterfall because there is a mint scent of glass cleaner that Method does have, and they sell it everywhere that Method is sold at, like Target. And they also sell it on the Grove website, but the Grove website is the only place I could find the Waterfall scent, and I think that smells amazing. So I did get this in the Waterfall scent, and I absolutely love it. And then another thing that I got that was actually one of the really neat things that I don't know if it's just for springtime, but it is really cool. And it comes in a 2-pack set, and I thought it'd be really good to have in my bathroom, especially for Easter. And it is Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day hand soap and hand lotion, and it is in the scent of rainwater. I just thought it was really cute, and I do have the Grove Collaborative is it the ceramic dish, the white one, and I do keep that in the bathroom now, and I think this would be really cute on top of it in my bathroom. Just very decorative and nice and also perfect for Easter. So I got this right here was, I believe, $4.89 for the 2-pack or around there, so not too bad because you are getting some really nice high-end quality things, and it smells really good. So I got this for my bathroom. And they did also send me their spring catalog. So there's just some like fun things in here, and of course a thank you note for purchasing from them. I absolutely love Grove. I know you're probably really tired of hearing all the other YouTubers talk about Grove Collaborative, but honestly it is a really good company, and I really do appreciate everything they do. I've had amazing customer service moments with them, and like when it was time to do the annual fee, I think it was like $20 to get the free shipping and the VIP membership with them. I did not have the $20 that month, and I was like, oh no, what am I gonna do, because I want to keep this awesome deal. And I emailed them, and they emailed me back the next day, and they said that is totally fine, they'll let it slide, and they'll just wait for the next month to pull it if I can do that then. So I thought that was really great, and they're very kind, very generous, and I just absolutely love their all natural products. And you can get them at a discounted price versus other stores. Sometimes you can get these items less expensive at Target, but you really have to look what Target's doing for their deals and so on and so on. And also Grove sometimes does extra sales on their items, so it's really neat to do your research. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy this video. I will also put a link down below. If you are new to Grove and you would like to start shopping from them, you can use my link and I will get a referral bonus, which is really cool, and it'll go to my next purchase, and you will also get a bunch of free goodies. So with your purchase, I think you have to spend 20 bucks or more. I think it's just $20, but minimum, and then you get like a bunch of fun free gifts from them. And I think it's Mrs. Meyer's brand items and some other things from Grove. So it's really exciting. So if you want to do that, definitely click on that referral down below in my description box, and we'll both get something cool out of it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.